Today's manufacturers are under constant pressure to increase production, run more efficiently, and improve product quality to the limits of available equipment. Yet traditional control methods struggle with complex, multivariable processes like throughput, efficiency, and quality. Add real-time intelligence with FactoryTalk Analytics PavilionX Model Predictive Control. PavilionX MPC uses machine learning predictive models to calculate the best operating moves continuously. It coordinates many variables at once, applying active constraint enforcement and disturbance rejection so operations stay stable as control adapts to changing operational needs. The system shifts control from reactive to proactive, optimizing performance automatically instead of relying on manual adjustments. Get continuous insight without waiting for lab results with the Virtual Online Analyzer, an inferential model that predicts product quality in real time for earlier insight. This allows the controller to balance quality targets, throughput goals, and constraints the moment feed conditions shift. Through an intuitive, browser-based interface, teams can set optimal targets and see how the system will respond before changes are made. With tighter predictive control, FactoryTalk Analytics PavilionX MPC helps operations run closer to true capacity without compromising safety or quality. Behind the scenes, built-in model quality indicators monitor how accurately models reflect current plant behavior. Clear metrics highlight when process changes affect accuracy and show where attention is needed, simplifying maintenance and troubleshooting. Smarter control equals smarter operations. PavilionX NPC continuously evaluates complex process conditions to reduce variability and safely push constraints, resulting in tighter quality, higher yields, and increased throughput, all driven by closed-loop optimization. Ready to turn advanced optimization into an everyday advantage? Improve quality, boost production, and operate closer to limits with FactoryTalk Analytics PavilionX MPC. Contact us to learn more.